Hey guys, it's Santiago with Rogue Van Company, continuing our SEMA Build Series. We are in Hesperia at Rugged Design Concepts, where we spent the whole day outfitting the van with all new accessories that Rugged built just for us in this build. We're super excited to show you what we cooked up. Check it out.
Hi, this is Dennis.
And this is Emily, and we are the owners of Rugged Design Concepts.
We specialize in Sprinter van accessories such as roof racks, ladders, and bumpers. And we're really excited today because we get to see all of our products on Rogue Van Company's show van, which is going to be showcasing at SEMA. And we're really excited.
Every Rugged product represents thousands of hours of drafting, modeling, field testing, design, basically a lot of hard work. At Rugged, we are obsessed with combining design and functionality in order to make the ultimate exterior accessories for Sprinter vans. That's why when Rogue called me up to be a part of their SEMA build, I knew we had to pull out all of the stops.
So we're going to start from the top down to give you an inside look at everything that we did today, starting out with this amazing roof rack. Now, one of the reasons why I love Rugged Design Concepts roof racks, they're so well made. You can see the artisan welds, you can see the expert bends, you can see the craftsmanship, the amazing laser cut panels. It's evident in everything that they do. Now, these roof racks are really cool because they actually have an extended footprint, which allows a lot of people who own Sprinters know the rack really starts to fill up. So what Rugged does with this Baja LP rack, they bump the design all the way forward till it's just in front of the antenna, which is an amazing thing because you can actually fit hundreds of watts of solar in the front. You can fit dual max fans, you can fit AC units, you can fit any kind of tracks, any kind of traction equipment. You can fit so many different things. And Rugged has tons of different crossbars, deck options for AC units. They have a variety of ladders for different positions. And we're going to be incorporating a lot of that stuff with our build today.
Here at Rugged, all of our products are handcrafted and specially made specifically for our company. Nothing is outsourced, and all of our designs are in-house. So when you buy a Rugged product, most likely a family member, but a small team is the one that's bending and welding and assembling all of your parts. When you get it, you know the welds are high quality. You know that all the material is high quality, sourced from here in the States.
This van has an amazing series of products, which I am really excited about for this build. First of all, it has an amazing roof rack with awesome accessories and tons of storage, different bolt-on options, L-track mounting points. It's got an industry-leading rear bumper, which will get you out of any situation. It has rock sliders that actually work, and they've gone ahead and made us custom surf pole hooks, which actuate. First time I've ever seen that done. And custom ladders, which will fit the mega flares. Now, one of the reasons why we wanted to make sure we had good rock sliders, for instance, is because this van, as you'll see in future episodes, is going to have an amazing suspension from Van Compass. It's already up on 37s. It's got a huge lift. It's got upgraded shocks and struts. It's got tons of goodies. It's got the OptiRate leaf springs. This van is ready to go. So we needed to make sure we had products that could really perform for us.
Our goal is not just to give you a functional product, but also to give you something that aesthetically is pleasing on your vehicle. We want you to look at your van and be proud of the products that we provided you with. That smile on your face is the reason why we do this. It's why we love what we do, and it's the reason why we've grown as much as we have.
Rugged Design Concepts is a perfect accent for Rogue Van Company because we're both committed to doing really over-the-top quality things. And we're relational. Our relationship with our customers is definitely our most important feature, and so is Rugged. And I think it really shines through when you look at the way that we make and design things. I know personally when I'm working on a new design over at Rogue, especially this SEMA build, we're spending hundreds, if not thousands of hours designing, drafting, making, creating, drawing, throwing away, starting again. And we've definitely culminated many years of experience. We've distilled all of our trials, all of our errors into making something that we really feel is unique. And Rugged is very evident with what they do. You look at the bends, you look at the cutouts, you look at the way the products fit, you look at the way they form to the vehicle. And it really creates something unique. It really creates something where you're not looking at a product that someone said, oh, you know, we want to churn out a bunch of Sprinter van accessories for a cheap price and turn a buck. You're looking at someone who is addicted, who is absolutely insatiably crazed to make something amazing. And that's what we do at Rogue Van Company, and that's definitely what they do at Rugged Design Concepts. And that's why we wanted to do this partnership, because we both make bulletproof bomb-ass shit.